In the world of modern interior design, minimalism has shifted from a niche aesthetic to a mainstream philosophy. We are increasingly drawn to the less is more mantra, craving kitchens that feel like sanctuaries of calm rather than cluttered workshops. However, there is a common trap many fall into when designing a minimalist kitchen: the empty counter paradox. We want the sleek, bone-dry surfaces seen in architectural magazines, but we still need to eat, toast, blend, and brew. The secret to a successful minimalist kitchen isn't owning nothing, it's owning the right things. It is about a curated selection of high-performance tools that earn their real estate on your countertop or inside your cabinets. When every appliance serves a distinct, frequent purpose, the kitchen ceases to be a storage unit and becomes a functional piece of art. Here is a guide to the essential appliances for a minimalist kitchen, those rare gems that balance form, function, and true necessity. The philosophy of the multitasker. Before we dive into specific items, we must establish the minimalist's golden rule: prioritize multifunctionality. Every single-use gadget, the avocado slicer, the electric egg peeler, or the bulky bread maker that only gets used once a year, is an enemy of the minimalist aesthetic. In a streamlined kitchen, we look for hero appliances. These are tools that can perform 3 or 4 different tasks, allowing you to donate the specific, clunky gadgets that usually take up drawer space. When you choose a multitasker, you aren't just saving physical space, you are reducing mental clutter. You have fewer manuals to read, fewer parts to clean, and a more intuitive workflow. The goal is to reach for one reliable tool rather than rummaging through a dark cabinet for a specialized one. 1. The high-performance power blender. If there is one appliance that deserves a permanent spot in a minimalist kitchen, it is a professional-grade power blender. While a cheap blender might only be good for the occasional smoothie, a high-end model is a culinary workhorse. It can replace a food processor for many tasks, grind coffee beans in a pinch, turn oats into flour, and even make hot soup through friction heat. Because these machines are built with powerful motors and durable blades, they eliminate the need for several smaller devices. For a minimalist, investing in a blender with a sleek, vertical design and a neutral color palette ensures it blends into the background rather than shouting for attention. It is the ultimate example of an appliance that earns its keep every single day, from breakfast shakes to gourmet dinner sauces. 2. The precision induction cooktop. Minimalist design often favors clean, flat lines. Traditional gas stoves, with their heavy iron grates and knobs, can feel visually heavy and are notoriously difficult to clean. Enter the induction cooktop. Whether it's a full-sized integrated range or a portable single burner for a tiny home, induction is the minimalist's dream. Induction technology uses electromagnetism to heat the cookware directly, meaning the surface of the stove stays relatively cool. This prevents food from burning onto the glass, allowing you to clean the entire stove with a single wipe of a microfiber cloth. Furthermore, when not in use, a flat glass induction surface can essentially function as extra counter space. It is efficient, safe, and visually silent, the 3 hallmarks of minimalist excellence. 3. The minimalist coffee system. Coffee culture often leads to a gear creep, where a kitchen slowly fills up with grinders, scales, drippers, and espresso machines. For the minimalist, the goal is to find a system that produces cafe-quality results with the smallest footprint possible. For some, this means a high-quality, all-in-one, super-automatic espresso machine that grinds and brews at the touch of a button, replacing the need for a separate grinder and milk frother. For others, the ultimate minimalist setup is a beautiful glass French press or a pour-over cone. These manual methods require no electricity, have no bulky wires, and can be tucked away in a drawer when not in use. The key is to choose the one method you enjoy most and commit to it, rather than collecting every coffee gadget on the market. 4. The 4-in-1 convection toaster oven. The traditional pop-up toaster is a classic example of a single-use appliance that takes up space. In a minimalist kitchen, we replace it with a high-quality convection toaster oven. Modern versions of these appliances are incredible. They can toast bread, air-fry crispy vegetables, bake small batches of cookies, and broil proteins. By choosing a model that includes an air fryer setting, you eliminate the need for a separate, bulky air fryer. Because it heats up much faster than a standard large oven, it's perfect for solo diners or couples, saving energy and time. It's an appliance that lives on the counter but does the work of 4 different machines, keeping your cabinetry free for other storage needs. 5. The elegant electric kettle. Hydration and tea are central to a healthy home, and a streamlined electric kettle is both a functional tool and a design statement. Look for a gooseneck kettle if you enjoy pour-over coffee, or a simple, cordless stainless steel model for a clean look. The beauty of the electric kettle is its speed and its ability to be moved. Unlike a stovetop kettle, it doesn't take up a burner, and many modern designs are so beautiful they act as a piece of sculpture on your countertop. In a minimalist kitchen, even the most basic tools should be a joy to look at. The hidden appliance strategy. Minimalism isn't just about what you see, it's about how you hide what you don't want to see. Many modern minimalist kitchens utilize integrated appliances. This means the dishwasher and refrigerator are covered with panels that match the kitchen cabinetry. When the fridge looks like a pantry door, the visual flow of the room is never interrupted by a giant block of stainless steel. If you are renovating, consider an integrated dishwasher. It performs the essential task of cleaning while remaining completely invisible to the eye. This creates a sense of architectural stillness that is the hallmark of high-end minimalist design. Maintaining the edit. Owning these essential appliances is only half the battle. To keep a minimalist kitchen feeling spotless and intentional, you must practice the one-in, one-out rule. If you find a new gadget that you absolutely must have, you should identify one current appliance that you no longer use and give it away. Furthermore, remember that minimalism is personal. If you never drink smoothies, a blender isn't essential for you, no matter what a list says. If you are a passionate baker, a stand mixer might be your most important tool. The goal is to strip away the should-haves and keep only the must-haves. A space that breathes. When you limit your appliances to a few high-quality essentials, something magical happens. Your kitchen starts to breathe. You have more space to chop vegetables, more room to set down a hot tray, and more peace of mind. You aren't constantly moving things around just to find a square foot of workspace. A minimalist kitchen is a tribute to the idea that quality triumphs over quantity. By selecting appliances that are durable, multifunctional, and aesthetically pleasing, you create a kitchen that isn't just easy to clean, it's a kitchen that is easy to live in.